In this video, I will show you how to create a php.ini file in a WordPress site. So let's get started with the video. First, to create a php.ini file, you need to install a plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins tab. Click on Add New. On the Plugins page, search for a File Manager plugin. Install and activate the plugin. I have already installed the plugin here. Next, click on the WP File Manager tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This will open the File Manager inside your WordPress site. Here, click on the file icon in the top bar. Select the Text File option. This will create a new blank file in your directory. Now rename the file as php.ini. And done. Here's your php.ini file. This is how you can create a php.ini file within a WordPress site. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment on this video if it was helpful.